purposeful nudge introduces the scarcity of trust, redefining the last human mile, adding the human value at the edge.
When a primary routing system or a specialized industrial motor fails, the cost isn't measured in hours, it's measured in thousands of dollars per minute. These critical failure points are becoming more dangerous as the silver tsunami hits the workforce. Decades of institutional knowledge are retiring en masse, taking the tricks of the trade with them. This view of dense shipping container stacks shows the extreme physical complexity technicians have to navigate. McKinsey data indicates that this workforce drain is compounding global supply chain volatility, directly increasing logistics emissions as systems stay offline longer. Vocational pipelines are failing to fill the gap. The industry simply cannot recruit or train new talent fast enough to replace the experts who are leaving. Global commerce rests on a physical infrastructure that is rapidly running out of the people required to maintain it. The tech industry proposed a logical solution: hyper-automation, predictive sensors, and local AI devices designed to handle decisions at the edge. This chart reveals the emergence of an AI tax. While automation generates speed, approximately 37% of that saved time is instantly consumed by humans, who have to verify, correct, and rewrite low-quality outputs. Because agentic AI workflows grow quadratically, a single error early in a session wastes every token used downstream. One machine hallucination can ruin a complex, multi-stage process. According to Gartner, this friction is why digital self-service tools only fully resolve about 14% of customer service issues. 86% of customers find themselves trapped in automated loops, growing frustrated until they can reach a human being. Automation is making the easy fixes cheaper, but it struggles at the complex margins, leaving a massive, expensive void where trust used to be. A robotic arm can now identify and sort a faulty circuit board in milliseconds. That speed has turned technical resolution into an abundant commodity, while human emotional intelligence has become the scarce, premium asset. Algorithms are designed to fix the machine, but research from PwC and Accenture suggests that when you remove the human touch, you lose the customer entirely. To bridge this gap, field teams use David Rock's SCARF model: status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness, to rebuild connection. When systems fail unpredictably, technicians rely on the certainty and autonomy pillars of this framework to de-escalate fear and stabilize the environment. Fixing the hardware provides the resolution, but the technician's actual value lies in restoring the user's psychological certainty. Many IT departments suffer from the watermelon effect. Dashboards glow green with 99% uptime, while beneath the surface, users are red with frustration. Traditional service-level agreements only measure the machine's heartbeat. They don't account for human friction or cognitive load. Organizations are solving this by shifting to XLAs, experience-level agreements, which formally track whether a human being felt supported and confident after the fix. This sequence, translate, reassure, understand, solve, and transfer, creates a standardized loop for delivering those human-centric outcomes. Aberdeen Group data shows that organizations prioritizing this empathetic trust model achieve an 88% first-time fix rate. Measuring how people feel is the only way to prove a field team's economic impact in an automated ecosystem. When a technician manages the hardware, the software, and the user's emotional state simultaneously, they move past the role of a reactive mechanic, becoming proactive architects of the service environment. This role requires a hybrid skill set: the technical literacy to calibrate an AI model, and the emotional literacy to de-escalate a high-stakes cross-cultural crisis in real time. To support this, management needs a new framework: agency. It focuses on aim, guardrails, enablement, nudges, control, and yield. Instead of rigid bureaucracy, technicians receive contextual nudges, giving them explicit authority to override an AI's output to save a customer relationship. Deloitte research proves the impact. Prioritizing human culture and sustainability drives double the productivity of simply deploying isolated AI tools. In a world of hyper-intelligent machines, the ability to build trust is the currency that prevents global systems from grinding to a halt. It makes the final mile of service essentially and intentionally human.
For more insights, subscribe to Purposeful Nudge and start rewiring your field services organization today.